This video, we're going to talk about how to cite a source that has a pre-made quick citation. So here I am in culturograms. I'm doing a little research on Albania, maybe its land and climate. I read this and take notes from this, and I see that over here it says generate citation. I choose MLA because that's what we use. Culturograms gives me this quick pre-made citation that I can copy and paste into NoodleTools. So I've copied that. I'm going to go over to NoodleTools. And the first thing that happens is I have to make a decision about where is it? Where did I find this information? And then I'll have to make a decision about what is it? What kind of information is it? If you're stuck here and you don't know how to answer these questions, the easiest thing to do is go back to the LibGuide to the box where you got the link. So here's the Culturograms box, and lucky for us, we have red to NoodleTools notes that say choose database to answer the question where is it, and choose original content to answer the question what is it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose database and original content in database, and NoodleTools gives me the appropriate form for citing this. I could fill out all of these blanks, but I don't need to because I copy and pasted a citation. So we want to make sure that we come up here at the very top and we click copy and paste a citation. That takes me to a new form that has a word processing box about in the middle that allows me to paste that citation. We're asked to think about the publication date, and we put that in there unless it's included in the middle of the citation, and here it is 2020, so we don't need to fill this out. We could also include the URL if it's not included, but here it is. It's the thing that starts online.culturograms.com, so that is included. We don't need to fill out that form. This lower word processing box labeled annotation, we also don't fill out, so we're done. We click save, and there we are, our citation for Culturograms. We have the name of the article, the name of the website, the publisher, the publication year, the URL, and the date we were there. That's it.